I remember my grandmom, and those days they used to hand over the balm to us for headaches, for a backache, for any joint ache. But I feel the gel is more effective. You just have to apply it every time you have a joint pain or even a little muscle pull, and it just goes away like that.
It's doctor prescribed, and even after 5 years of advertising the product, it still stays, like the largest prescribed pain reliever in the Indian market.
Gel is a very good, again, an efficacious product, and it is a combination of 4 ingredients. The property or the USP, I would say, of this brand is that it has nanogel formulation. उससे ये ज़्यादा अंदर तक समाता है skin में, and hence it gives much better and quicker action. So there's no need to massage.
Volini gel is a very effective pain reliever. In fact, its efficacy is vouched by a lot of consumer studies we've done. Out of every 2 people who try the brand, 1 sticks onto the brand. So its quick absorb formula gets you very effective pain relief, and I think the consumers stand a testimony to that.
Basically, what we are trying to capture again here, a little bit of branding also, with the kind of coursings, with the color combination with the sari and the costume they are wearing. But it's not about the branding, it's the whole thing of like these celeb, particularly the Indian heroine. They look amazing on the sari, so it's a nice thing to catch them in sari.
And action. Cut. One take, super take.
From 2007, the brand was around 30 crores, and the brand would be ending the year sales at 150 crores. So virtually pentupling in sales, which is a record, the highest growing brand in the OTC arena. And it's gone from a rank upwards, like 100 rank to the top 10 brands in the Indian pharma market at the moment.
Because the number of people who keep coming to ask us for samples, या हम जैसे stall लगाते हैं कभी-कभी और उसमें discount selling करते हैं. The maximum sale is of the biggest pack, which is the 50-gram pack. So we are now coming up with even more bigger packs, which are 150, 250-gram packs as well.
It's leading the category growths. So yeah, for Ranbaxy, Volini is the jewel in the crown, and we continue our efforts in order to keep it that way.
Yes, I do work out, but it's not just gymming. What I do is I do a bit of everything. I go to the gym maybe twice a week, and then I do a bit of yoga, I swim. So that way it's more interesting. Gymming alone bores me. So that way, it keeps you fit throughout. And also, if something goes wrong, it's not the end of everything. What usually happens is when people get a joint pain or a muscle pull, they stop working out. And I think that's not the way to go. You just need to take care of it. And in fact, working out helps for your muscles. It just gets better and stronger.
Spray, it's essentially used by office goers, sports people. Like I have ended up, using spray while I used to play, hockey in school. It never used to be Volini spray because it was not launched, and there used to be other brands which we used to, go about using.
Spray का use है कि convenience है, तो आप अपने handbag में रख सकते हैं, कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, कहीं चोट, because चोट तो बता के नहीं लगेगी. इसका असर ankle sprain, calf muscle sprains, neck and shoulder pain, उसमें ज़्यादा है.
It's more meant for on the go, anytime, anywhere usage, more for the people who are into sports, a very active lifestyle. It's very fit to carry it along anywhere and very handy to use.
I have a little tote bag wherever I go, especially on shoots and when I'm traveling. So yes, there is always a spray in my bag because you never know on an outdoor with dance sequences, anything can happen, and I don't want to get panicked. So there is always one in my bag.
Action.
The spray one, the way, when I got the script, I just feel it's a kind of a monologue. It's like you're talking to camera yourself, keep cutting very like with a lot of energy because it's like a post gym, so you have the whole energy in you. You just wanted to outburst, you know. So it's tuck 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 tuck, and that's how the dialogue deliveries was done. Even the way I'm looking at the editing also is going to be very jump cuties and very like one person talking to a camera, no intercut, nothing,
Spray used to be again a 55-gram pack. Being the price-sensitive market it was, we introduced the lower 35-gram unit pack, and we are now like introduced a 15-gram pack as well, and that's exploded the market like big time. Volini being perceived as a premium end product, now operating in say the main core and heart of the market and all, which is in the price band of anywhere from 10 to like 30-40 rupees and all.
Because they can't make any excuse. If they will do, they will be told कि बोले नहीं लगाओ और काम पे आओ. So सबको बता रहे हैं तो अपने लिए तो apply करना ही पड़ेगा.
Who could like go about suffering and are purely our TGs and all. So we have Volini. I would say Volini Maliya काम पर चलिए.